What's up, everybody? It's AJ with etrailer.com. Today we're going to be checking out the TempMinder Weather Station. So this is going to be a way with a transmitter. You set this outside when you park to the campsite. So maybe you're out of cell service and you can't look at your phone. Well, this is going to have all the functionalities of telling you the weather. It's going to tell you the time and even the temperature outside. Let's check it out. You're going to get two components with this. You're going to get the transmitter and then the readout. The transmitter goes outside to give you an accurate reading of the temperature or the weather. Now there's two different ways you can hang it up. You have this way if you want to put it down on something protruding from the outside of your rig, or if you want to use this to hang it on something, you can. You can also just set it on the ground just the same. Both of these will be powered by Aaa batteries. So this one's going to have 2, and the main station is going to have 3. Now we're going to set the transmitter outside by the front tire just for now, and I'll go back inside and check the readings. With our transmitter outside, we can look at what the display says. So up top, we have the weather forecast. So it can test and see how much moisture is in the air and predict if rain's on the way. Looks like it is here up top. Down here is going to be the time. Next up is going to be the outdoor temperature, where it'll be over here. And this is going to be the seconds. That still goes with the time there. Down one more, it's going to be the indoor temperature and then the humidity. Then we have the date and the month. And finally, we have what day it is, and then the moon cycle. Looking down at the bottom, we're going to have some buttons. So this one's going to be set. So you're going to hold that when you first get this, because when you put the batteries in, nothing's going to be set right. So you're going to have to set the time. You can work through that. And then the year. It'll come down here and set the month, and the date, the day, and then you're done. So that way you can get an accurate reading. Now you also have the alarm, so you can hold this down. I'll let you set an alarm for whatever time you want. Then up and down are going to be to help you pick the numbers when you do go to set the alarm or the time. You also have a channel, so you can switch up to different channels here for different readings. Then we have the light and the snooze button. So when the alarm goes off, you can hit this to go snooze, but mainly you'll hit it for the light so it lights up. Nice thing about this is you don't have to rely on your phone. So if you don't have any service and you can't rely on that, this is going to be great to have. Also, it goes anywhere you need it to. It doesn't take up a lot of space. So clearly you're probably not going to put it right in the middle of the table. You can move it off to the side here, out of the way. And that way, wherever you are in your rig, you can glance over and see what time it is. Along with the buttons on the front, there's going to be a few on the back here. There's going to be alert. So you can set an alert for when it hits a certain temperature. So this will go off, you know, if things get too hot or too cold and you need to do something. The same here, it's going to allow you to set the maximum or minimum. Overall, I think this is handy to have. I like that I don't have to rely on my phone. Either I'm out of service or I just want to leave it charging. This is going to be around. I can move it anywhere around the rig I need just to set it aside and quickly glance, because the display is big enough to see either the weather, the time, or the temp. Easy to see that from wherever. And like I said, wherever I need it, I can move it to. Well, I think that does it. Thanks for hanging out. I hope this helped.